together with our fruity friends. Sing along and look around to find the colors you see. Hi, I'm Annie the apple, and I'm red. I'm a red apple, shiny and bright. The color red is a happy sight. Look around, what else is red? Maybe your shirt or your teddy's head. Can you point to something red near you? Hello there, and Benny the banana, and I'm yellow. Singing I'm a yellow banana, long and sweet. Yellow is the sun and the corn we eat. Find something yellow, can you see? Like a duck, a flower, a bumblebee. Look around, what yellow things can you find? Hey, hey, we're the green grapes.
We're green grapes hanging in a bunch. Green is the grass and veggies you munch. Leaves and frogs are green too. Can you point to something green near you?
That's right, trees, leaves, and broccoli are green.
Hiya! I'm Ollie the orange.
I'm an orange, round and fun. Orange is the color of the setting sun. Carrots, pumpkins, and funny cats. Can you name more orange things like that? Orange is bright and cheerful. Can you find something orange now? Hi, friends. I'm Patty the purple plum.
I'm a purple plum, soft and round. Purple is a magic color we found. Grapes and hats and crayons too. Can you find something purple near you?
Purple is so cool. Do you see anything purple around? All fruits. Let's say the colors one more time together. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Orange and purple, just to name a few. Learning colors